doing today. I have the panel out for the Mach1. This right here is a few torque screws. This gauge comes out. You can see that gauge there just is oil pressure and vacuum. The one I'm putting in is going to be this one. Oil pressure and vacuum with boost, because I do have a Whipple. You can see that these are chrome rings. The ones that come with the Mach are the kind of brushed aluminum or more silvery color. So all you got to do is just take out those 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 that are in green there. That face comes off and you can swap them out. The torques that you're looking for on the back of these is just these 4 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful with these pins. They do like to come off and break. You can pull this off very easily without any kind of damage. So just be careful with it, pull it straight out. And yeah, so let's get this swapped out so I can check the boost on this. All right, and there we go. Simple as that. You can see here now I have the boost on the gauges now. And those are the original gauges. I'll wrap them up. I'll keep them. Also, what I'm going to do today while I'm in here is, sorry for the mess, guys. I don't have my shop built yet. They're working on it. You can see the panel being taken off there. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to put my phone holder in. So you guys might know that I do have a wireless CarPlay adapter in the car. However, I do want a place to put my phone. Sitting it here or sitting it here, it don't work. I do like to see it, so I'm gonna take this off, and I have a Course Motorsports mount that I'm gonna mount right here so that we can mount the phone either there or there. I'm guessing probably here is where I had it before. So you know, take these screws off, pop this bottom piece off, take those out, and put the Course Motorsports piece. So we have the Course Motorsports phone mount on. It's installed just like that right there. You see it does not come in contact with the button for the glove box or anything. This is a pop socket phone holder clip that I just kind of got it to work on there. Basically at the back of my phone right here is my pop socket, and it just clips down into that as I'm driving. Easy on, easy off. I do have the wireless CarPlay, so no need to plug into the USB port. My wireless CarPlay is in here, as you can see. This is an extra cord I have, but my wireless CarPlay is plugged up into here. It works flawlessly. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We can see the boost gauge here. I'm not going to start it because I'm in the garage, but you can see the boost gauge lights up. It's good to go, oil pressure. So we just need to get it on the road and get this sucker up the boost. See what kind of boost we have. So yeah, so there's that. If you guys haven't seen yet, I do have the carbon fiber steering wheel put on. This is the carbon fiber with the white track stripe, white stitching, and Alcantara suede on here as well. I'll leave a link to where I got that down below, as well as my Course Motorsports mount, my gauges, and my Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. Not quite done with the interior mods today. We do have a couple more installs. This is the replacement clutch spring and perch from Steeda Motorsports. So the clutch on the Mustang is very, very soft. Very, very soft right there. So when I put this in, it's going to stiffen it up, and it's just a better driving experience. I've done this on every S550 I've had and the S197. I'm not going to skip it on this. We're going to do this as well. So let's get this installed down there and take off the original spring perch. Plenty of install videos online, but basically you just want to take a pair of vice grips. Push the clutch in with your hand down here. Take a pair of vice grips. Needle nose is better, but you want to squeeze the spring like that, and it'll just basically wiggle out and slide right off the perch. So let's get this one unclipped and put the new Steeda one in. And as you can see on our workbench here, this is the Steeda piece. This is the stock piece. These are plastic right here. It's a molded plastic. This is aluminum, billet aluminum that they do. So yeah, it's a little bit stronger over here on the perch. If you're gonna do it, just get the perch. Just do it right the first time around. You can see the two difference in the springs. So what this is a helper spring. The Steeda spring is gonna be lighter. See here, it's a lighter spring. I can actually squish it down. It's not gonna help as much, so it's gonna make the pedal stiffer. So this is the stock spring, and it's really hard to squeeze it down. So that's gonna make it to where the pedal is softer because it's gonna help you more. This spring is a helper, a lighter helper spring, so it's going to get you to do more force on the pedal. Some people are like, oh, I like a lighter pedal. I don't like a lot of hard force. No, trust me, it's better with this one. it's gonna get your clutch pedal feel way better, and your shift's gonna be faster. So let's get this put together and put it in the car. So once you get the clutch spring perch and everything put together like this, you're going to want to put the bottom in first, kind of like this right here. And then as you push the pedal in, you're going to want to lift it up into place. You should not need any kind of vice grips or anything for this portion, but you're going to need some good dexterity in your arms here. We're going to switch arms. So I find it easier to push down with my left arm and then put this in with my right. It's kind of awkward, but you can get it to work. So let's get this put in here, flip it up, push it down. All right, there we are, just like that. Simple as can be. So there is the spring perch put in place with the spring. So now the pedal is going to be a lot harder to push, give you a better, stronger feel. All right.